Welcome back to Ace That Q. Today we're going to be making some bacon wrapped pickles using the Traeger Grill. These things are sweet, they're tangy, with a little bit of spice to them, and just something that you're going to have to try for yourself. So check the description below for the full recipe and all the items that we've used on today's cook. Alright, let's go Ace That Q. These bacon wrapped pickles are going to be great as appetizers. Heck, it's even going to be the main talk at a large gathering. So let's dive in and see what we got to do today. We're going to use some large dill pickles, some very thinly sliced bacon, and then today we're also going to be using Barbecue Provisions Fire Honey and Spiceology's Smoky Habanero Honey. This rub is like sweet, it's like got a little spice to it. It's a base, good combination with the fire honey. Alright, so let's start assembling everything. So we're going to take a pickle, a thinly sliced piece of bacon, and you're just going to start on one end of the pickle and just slowly start wrapping it around. We want to go all the way around that pickle using that whole piece of bacon. Then when we get to the end of the pickle, we'll put a toothpick right in it, and that way it holds it all together. And we're just going to keep going. We're going to put it on our little grate here. I find that using these grates for this works awesome, so that way you don't have to pick up one pickle at a time using tongs and putting them right onto the grill. You can just set this whole grate right onto it and you're off and running. Now that we got all the pickles wrapped, now we need to put some rub on them. Like I said earlier today, we're going to be using the Spiceology Smoky Honey Habanero. It's a really good rub. It's got a little bit of a sweet to it with a little bit of a kick to it. So it's going to pair really well with these pickles. So we're going to put a pretty good amount on today. Just going to go through and sprinkle them on. All right, now that we got all of them rubbed up, we're going to go take them out to the Traeger. I got to go ahead and presetting at 350 degrees. Then right before the end of the cook, right before that bacon gets crispy, we're going to come back on and put a light little glaze of this fire honey. And then at the same time, we're going to crank the grill up to 400 degrees. That way it gets a nice caramelization on them, and it's just going to be really good. While they're in the Traeger, we're also going to be making our sauce that we're going to use today as a dipping sauce. We're going to be using mayonnaise, just good old-fashioned mayonnaise, Cleveland Ketchup's Garlic Dill, and Barbecue Provisions Bayou Dust. This combination will just definitely want you coming back for more and more. So let's go put these in the Traeger.